More than 4,650 women are diagnosed with breast cancer annually in Ghana. As part of measures to help prevent breast cancer, Cin Gaban Nima, in partnership with Rotract Club of Accra Ring Road, has put together a breast cancer awareness seminar for basic school students in the Hausazone municipality of Accra.
The risk factors are the smoking, the drinking, sedentary lifestyle, overweight, anti-conceptives.
Ayuba Muhammad Mudasiru is the director of Cin Gaban Nima.
As you can see, I've pulled up, and then it's all about breast cancer awareness. And of course, we cannot do anything exceptional without doing it together with our kids. So the children, because of course, people are of the view that breast cancer has to do with the aged, but then we have a different view that no, it is not so. And the children have to know it, and then when they know it, they can actually imbibe knowledge into their parents. And then before, we initially wanted to actually do this screening with their parents and all of that, but we realized no. That is what we always do. That's what people always do. So we have to change the face and have a different feel where the children would have the experience themselves and learn more about it, to know that it is very important that they themselves, and of course at their age, most of them have begun to develop breasts, and there's a need for them to have the awareness.
Some health professionals had this to say.
Breast cancer is real. More than 4,000 people are diagnosed every year with breast cancer, and they go there late. More than 70% go late. So we all have to take it seriously, both men and women, and check our breasts every month. If you see any slight changes, please go to your healthcare professional, because breast cancer is real. Breast cancer can kill.
Early detection is key. Consulting with your doctor is also key. Having access to be able to have the free will or a place to actually consult your doctor without stigmatization or being judged.
The beneficiaries of the seminar expressed their happiness and appreciation.
I've learned many things about breast cancer. Breast cancer has no cause, and breast cancer is not only for women. Both gender can get breast cancer. And also I've learned many preventive measures which I have to go and educate others in the house who don't know much about it. I thank Cin Gaban Nima very much, because at first I don't know all these things, but now I know. I will feed others in the house. Thank you.
We appreciate the fact that Cin Gaban Nima allowed us, the school children, to come here and educate us on breast cancer. It has really helped us. So as we are going to educate our parents and other people on breast cancer, and it's important to check your breast continuously.
Key stakeholders also had this to say.
As part of our women empowerment program for this year, we thought it wise that why not gather all girls around so that they can freely express themselves and also talk about some of the things that is bothering them. And there are girls that are not able to express themselves, or when they find themselves in the midst of people, especially with boys. So we wanted this to be like a safe space for them to ask all the questions they want to ask, because for all you know, there is a young person at this age who has lumps or has symptoms of breast cancer, but they might not know. But then with this education, I'm sure most of them now can self-examine themselves, are aware of the symptoms, the signs, and then early detection, as we all say, saves life. Yeah.
Breast cancer is very real, and it affects everybody, both male and female. Don't say because you're a male you will not be tested. Get tested. It's very personal to me, because I have an auntie that died 5 years back of breast cancer. Her breast got cut and then it came back again, and we lost her. So it's very personal to me. And as a Rotract president, I encourage everybody to get screened, not just in October, any other month, 3 months intervals. You can get yourself screened and checked. Yes.
Cin Gaban Nima is an organization that is geared towards positive change in Zongo and deprived communities in Ghana.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.